guys, what's happening everyone? It's your boy here, Abdurrahim. We are back again today with another great amazing tech video. Well, today we are having a laptop creative stand, so let's get started. There we go guys, this is our laptop stand. But for reference, some of you guys don't even use laptop stands, but it's better to use a laptop stand because it might be helping you throughout your backbone, not only your backbone, even at ease. It's a really good thing. This is a plastic one, so I've been using this one for a while and it's a laptop stand, but this one it's a little bit cheaper. Now this one, bad boy, we're gonna unbox it so as a lot of you guys can see it, and you know what I mean, it's gonna be really cool. So let's get started. So there we go. And here is our product throughout the bag. So this is like a carry bag, which is great. And another kind of stuff, you're having a paperwork which you can read so as you can understand what's going on throughout here. So there we have it. Let us just unbox it and see what's packed inside, because I'm really excited throughout this bad boy and to see what's happening. So as you can see guys, this is our laptop stand. By the way, you can hear how it is, the material, but this one, it's plastic. This is a plastic and it's not that much good. But this bad boy here, so I can show you side by side so as you can know the difference. The plastic one can handle a laptop really perfectly, but sometimes the laptop slips. It just goes this way. But this bad boy, it's much better to handle your laptop. By the way, it has this mode which you can keep throughout your laptop in here, which it's a perfect one, but you can do this. So it's really great just to have it all over the place, and it's really awesome. This is our laptop stand here guys, and something which is so great, I'm gonna keep it here so as you can see how it stays and how you can use it throughout your workflows, and you know what I mean, it's gonna be really cool. I'm gonna keep the laptop in here, as you can see guys, nice and smooth, and it stays really perfectly throughout here. Now the only downside now I can say, because of my table in here, it's not that much, you know what I mean, it's just I kept it this way, but it's really staying perfectly, and you can see how much the laptop stays. Now I'm gonna show you with this one, which is a plastic one, which is really cheaper, and I think this one for people who are getting started, even I'm not even convincing anyone to use this, it's just risky, but this is much better. It's aluminium and it's really tough. So as you can see, this is how I'm keeping my laptop, right? This is just normal, the plastic one. Now if I just tilt the screen and I'm using it, sometimes it does this way. You see, it's just flips. It's just flips. It's not that much convenience when it just flips, and you won't like it. It's really annoying. So this one guys, it's much better. This one, it's a big no for me, I can say, and I think, to be honest, this one is much great, and it will sort you through different scenarios. You're gonna love it. And throughout creativity wise, I'll be honest, even on the go, it's a really good product to use it throughout your workflow, and you're gonna be thanking even your backbone later throughout many years coming. So that's what's up guys. I hope you enjoyed through the video today of this laptop functional laptop stand, and you can do bunch with it, playing with it around, tossing it a lot of stuff depending on what you want to, and it's a really great thing. So what's up guys, I hope you enjoyed on this amazing tech video. Up to on the next one guys, I'll be catching you on the next tech video. You're new here, consider subscribing to your homeboy here. I'll really appreciate on that. And last but not least, ladies and gentlemen, I'll be catching you guys on the next tech video, and peace.